Hello and welcome to the Smartboard ELP feature walkthrough guide. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use the Smartboard ELP to assess and enhance students' communication skills across listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary, and grammar. Let's get started. To begin, log in to the admin panel. From the left side menu, click on Smartboard ELP now. Select the appropriate board and grade. Once selected, you will see a list of chapters for that grade, each with 5 key skill areas: listening, speaking, reading, vocabulary, grammar. Let's go through each one in detail. Click on the listening trigger icon beside a chapter. Next, choose the relevant section to load student names. Click the play button to begin the audio. Ask students to listen attentively. Now, invite a student to the smartboard, select their name from the list, and let them answer based on what they heard. Repeat this for each student and question. Once done, click Submit to return to the topic listing. To view results, click the results icon. You'll see student names, section, listening scores, total marks, and number of questions attempted. This listening activity in the classroom plays a vital role in enhancing students' listening skills, which are essential for developing effective communication abilities. Let's move to speaking activity. Click the speaking trigger icon. Select the relevant section to load student names. Ask a student to read the sentence aloud, displayed on the screen. Click Check to get real-time analysis, including pronunciation score, word-by-word feedback. Repeat this for each student. Once finished, click Submit. Results will show list of students, section, speaking scores, total marks, and number of questions attempted. This AI-powered speaking analysis feature plays a crucial role in developing students' speaking skills and helps them build confidence while communicating with others. Let's move to reading activity. Click on the reading trigger icon. A comprehension passage will appear on screen. Give the student time to read, then select the section to load their names. Let the student answer based on the passage. Click Check for instant feedback. Click Continue to move on to the next student. Once complete, click Submit. Results will show list of students, section speaking scores, total marks, and number of questions attempted. The reading activity fosters critical thinking and comprehension skills by engaging students with structured texts. It helps improve their reading fluency, understanding of context, and ability to interpret information effectively. Let's move to vocabulary activity. Click the vocabulary trigger icon. Choose the relevant section. Students will see a vocabulary question with multiple options. They'll drag and drop the correct answer. Click Check for immediate feedback, then click Continue to proceed. Once all students finish, click Submit. Results will show list of students, section, speaking scores, total marks, and number of questions attempted. The vocabulary activity strengthens students' word knowledge and usage. By exploring word meanings in context, students enhance their language, proficiency, expression, and overall communication skills. Let's move to grammar activity. Click the grammar trigger icon. Select the relevant section. A grammar question will be shown with multiple answer choices. Ask the student to drag and drop the correct one. Click Check for feedback and repeat the process for all students. Click Submit once the activity is complete. Results will show list of students, section, speaking scores, total marks, and number of questions attempted. The grammar activity reinforces foundational language concepts, enabling students to construct sentences accurately. This helps improve their writing clarity, spoken fluency, and command over the language structure. The Smartboard ELP is an interactive and powerful tool that supports student engagement and communication skill development in a fun, effective way. Use it regularly to drive data informed instruction and boost student learning outcomes. Thank you for watching this walkthrough. Happy teaching with Smart Board ELP.